Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we are gonna build a box to go over the sub box. So I totally just forgot to record cutting the first piece, but this is the first piece cut. Now I gotta make a top and the sides for it. So it's basically gonna sit just like this. I also obviously have to build walls on the side. I'm not gonna build a bottom or a back because I don't need one. It'll be structurally sound with just the top, the front, and the two sides. And then you might be wondering, oh, but I thought you had a sub box. You're right, I do. I'm gonna cut it out to where the sub box sits perfectly in there, and then I'm going to put the speakers around it. And then eventually, when I get speakers around there, I'm going to put speakers in the top as well. And so now we need to take this piece of wood right here and see which way, where I can get perfect amount over here and perfect amount over there in order to make the box shape. So let's measure that out right now. So we need 2 foot poles. So do I have 4 foot here? Just exactly 4 foot this way. We need to cut this right at 2 foot, right in the middle. Cut that right down the middle. Take the square. Center. To make sure it's perfectly straight, all I did was put it on 2 milk cartons or milk crates, whatever you want to call them. And now we just gotta cut it. So now that we got these 2 pieces cut, this is going to sit here. This is going to sit just like this. Up here. This is not a flat surface, so that all the wood is not going to be even. You know what I mean? So now I got to cut this one 18 3/4 this way, and that one 18 3/4. Let's just make sure one more time. 18 3/4. That is correct. Which side is this going in? This side. I technically can make both out of this. So I do here 18 3/4. I have a pen in my pocket. 18 3/4. Draw this line. And then is this 18 3/4? Nope, 18 1/4. So I do have to cut off a both, but I'll have this extra wood to do something. So now we have to cut out here, down. Take out that middle chunk. Now I gotta pre-drill and drill in all these screws. So this is what it currently looks like right now. Obviously, I still have to screw the front in, but I didn't do that yet. But this is what it looks like. I think it came out very well. I'm gonna put speakers here on the top or on the front like that. I might put some on the top. I'm still debating about that. But for now, I'm just gonna do the front. Maybe the 10s actually will fit up top here. So this is with it all screwed in on the sides and everywhere. So I'm debating building just a bottom piece for here and there, just so it has a little bit of support, which I'll probably do that. Make it a little bit more of a support. I didn't think I was gonna have enough wood left over to do it, but I do. So I'm probably just gonna do this for here and there. So I put some supports back here, just here and here. And I'm gonna get a support to go across the back here so this doesn't bow as much, but I don't have that piece right now. This was all out of one sheet of 4x8 plywood. And so this is what I was thinking. Put the 10s up here, obviously change them to better quality 10s, and then put 8s inside here and tweeters or just horns here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I gotta determine that. I'm gonna ask you guys on TikTok. I'm gonna do polls. I'm gonna do all that stuff. So for now, this is how the box looks. This is gonna be a multi-part series, so stay tuned. The box is fully built. Now the rest of the videos are gonna be designing where the speakers go, wrapping it, installing it, all that different stuff. So stay tuned.